Am I all right? Ask me, how do I feel? Ask me now that we're cozy and clinging. Well, sir, all I can say is if I were a bell, I'd be ringing. From the moment we kissed tonight, that's the way I've just got to behave. Boy, if I were a lamp, I would light, or if I were a banner, I'd wave. Ask me, how do I feel, little me with my quiet upbringing. Well, sir, all I could say is if I were a gate, I'd be swinging. Or if I were a watch, I'd start pumping my springs. Or if I were a bell, I'd go ding dong, ding dong, ding.